Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn. If you're new to us, we create these videos to help educate people like you about DIY pest control. If you want to learn more and get your professional pesticides for fungus gnat control, visit our website by clicking the link in the description below. Fungus gnats need a moist environment with decaying matter like fungi to feed on. An often overlooked and extremely common place is potted plants, specifically in the potted soil. This is how you can identify a fungus gnat over a mosquito. Adult fungus gnats are usually found buzzing around or moving about in potted plants and soil. This is also why you need to know what the larvae looks like. What happens is, the fungus gnat larvae will actually feed on the fungi in the soil and the roots of the plant. If there's enough larvae and fungi to go around, then they could eventually damage your plants. Adult fungus gnats will not harm people or plants and are just generally considered a nuisance. The larvae is the problem. If you have moisture and fungus growing elsewhere, like under the sink or near leaky pipes, they might be found there as well. Remember, click the link below for your fungus gnat control guide and to get your professional products. Also, please don't hesitate to give us a call or shoot us an email. I'm Jason Baker with Solutions Pest and Lawn. Ask us how, then do it yourself.